Hot! Hey.
We all look fine. To other people, on the outside. But inside, the things that trap us, substance abuse, family problems, depression, only we can see. And sometimes, they're the only things we can see. They become so overwhelming. They make us feel alone, like there's no way out. There's just no hope. But there is help. At Clemson's Counseling and Psychological Services, we can learn to cope and understand our emotions through workshops, groups, and individual therapy. Online sessions are available if an in-person appointment is inconvenient or uncomfortable, so they'll be able to help us to reconnect, to overcome, and to find peace.